everyone, I'm Ash, and during this quarantine, we could do something like sketching, knitting, coloring, painting, or exercising. These days, just sitting at home feeling lazy, tired, and stressful, nothing to do, just eating, sleeping, doing home assignments, and eating again. What am I doing? If this continues, I will become a fat potato. You will become a fat potato. We all will become a fat potato. So today we'll start off with exercising using 3 different languages: Hindi, English, and Japanese. So let's get started. First word is stomach. In Japanese, it means onara. No. It means onaka. Onara means fart. I made a huge mistake. Only changing one word can make a lot of difference. We can write it in 3 ways: Hiragana, Katakana, and Kanji. Now in Hindi, it is pronounced as pait, P-A-I-T. To remember, it's similar to pet, P-E-T, which is an animal, like a dog, a cat. Ready for the fun part? It's here! Hey! No hairband in my class, Rosita! Take it off! Fine. Let's start with stomach exercise. Oh yeah, teacher, I have a really bad stomach ache. Don't make any excuses. Now start doing. Rosita, hairband ga dame desu yo. Onaka no undo o hajimemasu. Sensei, onaka ga itai desu. 言い訳しないで始めて。Rosita, hairband हटाओ. सबसे पहले हम पीठ का व्यायाम शुरू करेंगे. आज मेरी पीठ में बहुत दर्द हो रहा है. बहाने मत बनाओ, अब शुरू करो. Okay, the second word is hand. In Japanese, it's called as te, T-E. And again, it can be written in 3 different ways: Hiragana, Katakana, and Kanji, which is here. In Hindi, it is pronounced as hat, H-A-A-T-H, hat. But if you will add an I at the end, it will be hati, which means elephant. Just like that. Heavy. Okay, Rosita, get your dumbbells or pet bottle filled with water, whichever survey is available. Keep your hands straight. Straight. You cheated. ロジータ、ダンベルか水が入ったペットボトルを用意して。手をまっすぐにして。まっすぐ。あなた。रोजिता, अपने डम्बल्स या फिर पानी से भरी हुई बोतल जो भी उपलब्ध हो वो ले आओ। अपने हाथ सीधे रखो, सीधे। Today's last word is leg, which in Japanese it is known as Ashi. A-S-H-I. Ashi. And if you will add an ta, T-A, in the end, it means ashita, which is tomorrow. We can write it in 3 ways: Hiragana, Katakana, and Kanji. In Hindi, we can actually pronounce leg in 2 different ways. One is pair, P-A-E-R, pair, and the other one is pao, P-A-A-O-N, pao. Next, leg exercise. Do squats 10 times. Wait, I'll show you. Straighten your legs to lift back up. Today's class ends. Goodbye. Tsugi wa ashi no undou desu. Squat o 10回します。先生のやり方を見てください。足を伸ばして持ち上げます。今日の授業は終わりました。さようなら。अगला व्यायाम पैर का करेंगे। 10 बार स्क्वाट करो। रुको, मैं दिखाता हूँ। अपने दोनों पैर को वापस ऊपर लाने के लिए सीधा करो। अब ये समाप्त करते हैं। you will come to know exercise is important for ourselves. We will be energetic, active, focused, and motivated. Also, boost up our immune system.